Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from NYOOOZ.
Amid rain forecast by Weather Department, the voting on 222 seats out of 224 constituencies in Karnataka Assembly election is underway. Around 24% voter turnout has been reported till 11 am. A party needs 113 seats to form the government in the state. In the view of General Election 2019, Karnataka poll is very crucial. If Congress fails to protect its last biggest fort, the prospectus of Rahul Gandhi to become PM will be murkier. While one more victory of BJP will ensure second innings of Narendra Modi at PMO. News Desk.